Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to reset all notifications to default in your Nissan Connect service. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home panel, let's find the settings icon. It's right here. This is this settings icon, the gear icon. If you tap the settings icon, you will get access to a list of all settings. Let's select here the Nissan Connect service. If you tap Nissan Connect service, let's choose here charging messages. Under charging messages, you've got a few interesting features such as save location for unflagged messages, delay for unflagged messages, charge reminder. But if you would like to reset all notifications to default, let's use the last option. So, if you would like to return all notifications to their default, confirm this by tapping yes. And that's it, you just reset all notifications to the default state. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.